Yan, magandang umaga, pampagana sa umaga. Alright, another favorite. Ayan, one of the favorites. Isa sa mga paboritong mga kinakanta dito, yung Pretty Woman. Ayan, paborito rin ni Christian to eh. Alright, Pretty Woman by Roy Sino? Orbison. Ayan, Roy Orbison pala. Pretty Woman. Shout out, welcome to Bicol Live Philippines, mixing your sexy cowboy. Pretty woman, walking down the street. Pretty woman, the kind I like to meet. Pretty woman, I don't believe you're not the truth. No one could look as good as you. But say, pretty woman, won't you pardon me? Pretty woman, I couldn't help but see. Pretty woman, and you look lovely as can be. Are you lonely just like me? No. Pretty woman, stop a while. Pretty woman, talk a while. Pretty woman, give your smile to me. And pretty woman, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty woman, look my way. Pretty woman, say you'll stay with me. 'Cause I need you, I'll treat you right. Come with me, baby, be mine tonight. Don't go walking by, pretty woman. Don't make me cry, pretty woman. Don't walk away, yeah. Okay, that's the way it must be, okay. I guess I'm a woman, it's late. Not but the way, what do I see? She's walking back to me. Yeah, she's walking back to me. Oh, pretty woman. Ayan, di ba? Napakagandang paniwala sa umaga. Mga pretty woman. Shout out mga pretty woman dyan. Ayan.